Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today as usual, we'll be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. We'll look at the current support and resistance levels and present trend of the price action. And when we look at the economical events planned for today is Friday, August 19th. We have medium impacting news on British pound related currency pairs at 11:30 am, and at 6 pm we have medium impacting news on Canadian dollar related currency pairs, and we don't have any high impacting news on US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action in daily time frame, I've already drawn the bearish channel pattern, and we have noticed in the past price action that the price action has tested the resistance line of the bearish channel pattern, and here also it has tested the resistance line, and we are noticing the price action to bounce back on the bearish side trend reversal. Previously, this lower line of the bearish channel pattern had acted as a resistance line, and currently it is acting as a support line. And I have also marked the horizontal support level, which is around 1754. This is a very important support level because we have noticed a price action to retrace and test this level, then to continue on the bullish side trend in the past. Here also this level had acted as a support in the past. So current price action has to break this support level in order to continue its bearish trend in daily time frame. And we have already noticed that today's candle to open below this previous closing candle, which shows a strong bearish trend is still continuing in daily time frame. Once this support level is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1738, and once this support is broken, next level of support is going to be around 1727, and next is going to be around 1716. So the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend. Wait for the price action to break the support level of 1754 in order to confidently go on a bearish side trade. Let us look at the price action in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we can clearly notice that previously this level of 1754 had acted as a support level, from where it bounced back on the bullish side trend in the past price action, and currently we are noticing the price action to trend on the bearish side, and currently it is taking support near the support level of 1754. Since the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend, we can easily expect the price action to break the support level and to continue its bearish trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to be trading below this resistance line, and as long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in hourly time frame. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, next level of resistance is going to be around 1773 from the daily time frame. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line, we can expect it to trend on the bullish side, and next level of resistance is going to be the bearish channel pattern resistance line from the daily time frame. So the current trend in hourly time frame is also in a bearish trend for now. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, previously we have noticed the price action to take support on the bearish channel pattern support line from the daily time frame, and to bounce back on the bullish side trend reversal, and again it has bounced back from the resistance line from the hourly time frame on the bearish side trend. Again it is taking support on the bearish channel pattern support line. Wait for the price action to break the higher time frame support level of 1753 in order to get the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in 30 minutes time frame, based on which you can take trades on the bearish side. Otherwise we can expect the price action to consolidate within this resistance and support line for now. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Since the trend in higher time frame is in a bearish trend, wait for the price action to break the higher time frame support level of 1753 in order to take trades with the higher time frame trend. Let us look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it is just consolidating within this support level from the higher time frame, which is around 1754 and the resistance line from the 5 minutes time frame. Wait for a proper directional breakout in 5 minutes time frame in order to take a directional trade in 5 minutes time frame. But we know from the higher time frame that current trend of the price action is in a bearish trend. So wait for the price action to give a bearish side breakout in order to take a trade with the higher time frame trend. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.